Question number 51. Who was the founder of the Rishi Silsila in Kashmir? A. Syed Muhammad Hamdani. B. Sheikh Abdul Qadir. C. Sheikh Nuruddin. D. Bahi Billah. The answer is option C. Sheikh Nuruddin. 52. Mir Jumla invaded the Ahom kingdom and occupied the Ahom capital, Gargaon. A treaty was signed between him and the Ahom kingdom in 1663. When did Ahoms force the Mughals to give up Kuch Hajo and accept the river Manas as the boundary? A. 1667, B. 1681, C. 1685, D. 1689. And the answer is B. 1681. 53. Which of the following statements is not correct? A. Bolutidas were expected to serve villagers whenever required in their respective capacities. B. They were paid the remuneration always in kind. C. They were entitled to certain shares of offerings dedicated to village temples and to some other perquisites on special occasions. D. The right to serve and the right to receive remuneration of permanent Balutidas was recognized as their miras or vatan. And the answer is B. They were paid the remuneration always in kind. 54. Shah Jahan was the first Mughal emperor who introduced a new standard, namely Mahimmaratib. It was considered the highest honor conferred on a person. Which of the Indian rulers used to award this before Shah Jahan? A. Arab rulers of Sindh. B. Sultans of Delhi. C. Sirs of Delhi. D. Sultans of Malwa. And the answer is option B. Sultans of Delhi. 55. The earlier literary reference to Cotton Carter's bow comes from which of the following Persian text? A. Miftah ul Fuzullah. B. Quas Lexicon. C. Sirat-e Firozshahi. D. Futhat-e Firozshahi. And the answer is option B. Quas Lexicon. 56. By which name French traveller Jean-Baptiste Tavernier called the capital city of Golconda? A. Golconda. B. Bahnagar. C. Falaknuma. D. Hyderabad. And the answer is option B. Bahnagar. 57. Match list 1 with list 2. Malik Sarwar, Jaunpur Sultanate. Jafar Khan, Gujarat Sultanate. Dilawar Khan, Ghuri, Malwa Sultanate. Alauddin Hassan, Bhamni Sultanate. 58. A number of changes were introduced by Ghiyazuddin Tughlaq in Alauddin's agrarian measures. Which of the following in the context is not correct? A. To lighten the burden of the peasants, he substituted hum-e-masahat measurement to hum-e-hasil crop sharing. B. Ghiyazuddin did not believe in Alauddin's principle of leveling down the village heads to the rank of the ordinary peasant and restored their perquisites. C. He exempted their cultivation and pasturage from assessment. D. He also continued and encouraged the practice of farming of the land revenue. And the answer is option D. He also continued and encouraged the practice of farming of the land revenue. 59. Who founded the city Burhanpur around 1400 on the bank of river Tapti? A. Nisar Khan Farooqi. B. Muhammad Quli. C. Ibrahim Adil Shah. D. Sultan Quli. And the answer is option D. Nasir Khan Farooqi. 60. In 1579, Masar was drafted by which of the following scholars? A. Abul Fazl and Sheikh Mubarak. B. Sheikh Mubarak and Abdul Nabi. C. Abdul Nabi and Badauni. D. Sheikh Mubarak and Faizi. And the answer is option A. Abul Fazl and Sheikh Mubarak. 61. In which of the dialect Tufat ul Hind, an 18th century source, has provided a very extensive glossary? A. Biraj. B. Awadhi. C. Rajasthani. D. Gujarati. The answer is option A. Biraj. 62. After Alauddin Khalji's death, his price control measures collapsed, and under Qutbuddin Mubarak Khalji, price rose rapidly. Which one of the following chroniclers travelers mentions about growing prices during Mubarak Khalji's reign? A. Sheikh Mubarak. B. Yabin Ahmad Sirhindi. C. Saifuddin Ali Yazdi. D. Mirza Haider Duglat. The answer is option A, Sheikh Mubarak. Directions. Read the following statement and select the answer from the options given below. Sociologists have reported how caste could also change the status along with their occupations under forms of Sanskritization. 63. Who propounded the theory of Sanskritization? A. Karl Marx. B. M.N. Srinivas. C. Romila Thapar. D. Max Weber. The answer is option B. M.N. Srinivas. Directions. Question 64 to 68. Read the following passage and answer the questions given below. Jahangir twice mentions a tower, tank and pavilion used as a hunting place about 29 km from Lahore. Today the site is known as Sheikhupura, but Jahangir in 1606 refers to it as Jahangirpura and then in 1620 calls it Jahangirabad, both meaning city of Jahangir, the latter a more personate form. Here the emperor's favorite tame antelope died before 1606. It was buried in a grave above which a sculpted antelope and eulogy written by Mullah Muhammad Hussain of Kashmir were placed. Adjacent to this gravestone, a tower was constructed around 1606 under the supervision of Sikandar Moin Khan, the landholder of the area. On Jahangir's orders, Sikandar Moin Khan also built a tank and royal residence. Despite Moin's death, while the work was in progress, the complex was handsomely completed by 1620, the later stages of construction having been supervised by Iradat Khan. The expenses incurred were sufficiently awesome that the emperor recorded the amount in his memories. Jahangir considered the site a kingly hunting place, although his successor found the place inadequate and in 1634 spent another sizable sum rebuilding the pavilion. Question number 64. Both the names Jahangirpura and Jahangirabad carry same meaning, that is city of Jahangir. From which language the word Pura is taken? A. Marathi, B. Urdu, C. Persian, D. Sanskrit. The answer is option D. Sanskrit. 65. In which book does Jahangir twice mention the tower, tank and pavilion? A. Maziri Jahangiri. B. Tasuki Jahangir. C. Iqbalnama E. Jahangiri. D. Mazali Sai Jahangiri. The option is option B. Dasuk-i Jahangir. 66. The plan of the Sheikhupura tower resembles the Hiran Minar built during Akbar's reign. In which of the following cities in Hiran Minar situated? A. Fatehpur Sikri. B. Delhi. C. Agra. D. Sikandara. The answer is option A. Fatehpur Sikri. 67. Who among the following mentioned personalities was also called Sheikh Baba? A. Prince Kamran. B. Emperor Humayun. C. Sheikh Salim Chishti. D. Emperor Jahangir. The answer is option D. Emperor Jahangir. 68. In which of the following cities is situated Nimsarai Minar built during Akbar's reign? A. Panipat. B. Malda. C. Lahore. D. Multan. The answer is option B. Malda. 69. During which of the following movements several new techniques like passive resistance, boycott and other effective methods of mass protest were evolved and experimented? A. Anti-Bengal partition movement. B. Champaran movement. C. Kera Satyagraha. D. Khilafat movement. The answer is option A. Anti-Bengal partition movement. 70. Which of the following is not true? A. Before the 1857 rebellion, personal relations between resident Englishmen and Indians in Delhi and Lucknow had been friendly. B. In pre-1857, Delhi Europeans had lived mostly within the walled city in houses rented from Indians. C. After 1857, Indians were driven out of Delhi and Lucknow. D. British garrison was moved outside of the walled city of Shahjahanabad in the aftermath of 1857. The answer is option D. British garrison was moved outside of the walled city of Shahjahanabad in the aftermath of 1857. 71. As a result of the 7 Years' War 1756 to 1763 in European, the French, the English settlements in India also became involved in open hostilities. The work of Dupleix and Bussy in South was thus destroyed in 1760 to 61. Which treaty provided the restoration of the French possession in India? A. Treaty of Pondicherry. B. Treaty of Vandivash. C. Treaty of Paris. D. Treaty of London. The answer is option C. Treaty of Paris. 72. Which of the following were the main areas where systematic state initiative was visible in the 19th century? A. Mathematics, physics, chemistry. B. Maps and surveys, botany, zoology, medicine. C. Theology, literature, mathematics. D. Fine arts, linguistic, theatre. The answer is option B. Maps and surveys, botany, zoology, medicine. 73. With 395 articles and 12 schedules, the Constitution of India was framed during which period? A. December 1946 and December 1949. B. December 1945 and January 1950. C. August 1947 and January 1950. D. December 1946 and January 1950. The answer is option A. December 1946 and December 1949. 74. Under which system or settlement the Indian states lost the right to foreign affairs and defense? A. Doctrine of lapse. B. Subsidy alliance system. C. Permanent settlement. D. Diarchy system. The answer is option B. Subsidy alliance system. 75. Who was the first scholar who called Indian society deaf and dumb and stagnant? A. Karl Marx. B. Mark Bloch. C. A. L. Basham. D. G. W. F. Hegel. Answer is option D. G. W. F. Hegel. 76. Which one of the following measures was not adopted by Lord Curzon? A. The Calcutta Municipal Amendment Act. B. Indian Universities Act. C. Indian Official Secrets Amendment Act. D. Vernacular Press Act. The answer is option D. Vernacular Press Act. 77. Which of the following opposed to appointment of Muthuswami Iyer to the Madras High Court on the grounds that native officials should not draw the same rate of pay as Europeans in similar circumstances? A. The Hindu. B. Amrita Bazar Patrika. C. The Tribune. D. Madras Mail. The answer is option D. Madras Mail. 78. Who among the following was not associated with the Faraizi movement? A. Haji Shariarullah. B. Taitu Mian. C. Dudu Mian. D. Nayam Mian. The answer is option B. Taitu Mian. 79. Match list 1 with list 2. Vera and Stay. Economic Development of India. B. M. Bhatia. Famines in India. D. H. Buchanan. The Development of Capitalized Enterprise in India. D. R. Gadgil. Industrial Evolution in India. 80. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The gradual industrialization of India not only brought the capitalist into the foreground of public life, it also created an industrial working class. Reason R. Unlike the European situation in India, there was no random or open recruitment from among a proletarianized peasantry. Recruitment was usually made through jobless. Answer is both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 81. Restoration of Mysore to its old ruling family was a unique thing in the history of British India. Who did it? A. Lord Canning. B. Marquess of Ripon. C. Marquess of Lansdowne. D. De Feria. The answer is option B. Marquess of Ripon. 82. Who among the following brought the concept of motion pictures to India? A. Colorello and Cornelia. B. Hiralal Sen. C. Louis and Auguste Lumiere. D. Dada Saheb Phalke. The answer is option C. Louis and Auguste Lumiere. 83. In which year the Dramatic Performances Act was passed, which imposed rigorous state control over performances on the public stage? A. 1888. B. 1896. C. 1876. D. 1898. Answer is option C. 1876. English position in India was improved by the Golden Farman granted to them in 1632 AD. Who granted this farman to them? A. Jahangir, the Mughal emperor. B. Sultan of Golconda. C. Sultan of Ahmednagar. D. Ruler of Bijapur. The answer is option B. Sultan of Golconda. 85. When did the phrase proclaiming the Governor General to be the servant of the Emperor was omitted from his official seal? A. After the Government of India Act 1858. B. After the Charter Act of 1833. C. After the Charter Act of 1813. D. After the Pitt's India Act of 1784. 86. Which one of the following pledged loyalty to the British and joined hands for the implementation of the provisions of the Montagu-Chelmsford Act? It merged with the Congress in the late 1930s and in the process broadened the base of national movement. A. The Satya Sodak Samaj. B. The Justice Party. C. Dravida Kazhagam. D. Non-Brahmin Association. The answer is option D, Non-Brahmin Association. 87. How did Britain secure a title to rule India? Consider the following statements and select the correct code. A. The dissolution of the Mughal Empire and the cessions by and the conquest from the Marathas, the Sikhs and other territorial sovereigns from 1757 till 1857. B. Sovereignty in India involved under the British constitutional law and under the law of nations as expounded in Europe, the authority of British Parliament and the recognition of all civilized nations. C. The grant of charter carried sovereign status to the East India Company and the treaties of Paris and Versailles and the Congress of Vienna conveyed international recognition to this status. D. C. The grant of charter carried sovereign status to the East India Company and the treaties of Paris and Versailles and Congress of Vienna conveyed international recognition to this status. D. After suppression of revolt of 1857, Mughal Emperor transferred the sovereignty to the British. The answer A and B only, B, A, B and C only, C, A, B, C and D, D, C and D only. And the answer is option B, A, B and C only. 88. Match list 1 with list 2. Association founder. The Satya Mahima Dharma of Orissa. Mahima Gosin. The Swaminarayanan Sampradaya of Gujarat. Sajanath Swami. The Paramhansa Mandali. The Doba Pandurang. Dev Samaj. Divine Society. Pandit Shivnarayan Agnihotri. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Association, associated. A. Bharat Sri Mahamandal Sajla Devi Chaudhrani. B. Women's Indian Association TIA. C. The National Council of Women Lady Mehribai Tata. D. All India Women's Conference Margaret Cousins. The answer is option B, Women's India Association TIA. With reference to official records, what were the consultations? A. All kinds of transaction of English East India Company in Bengal. B. All kinds of military records of the English East India Company. C. Reports of advisors to the governors of presidencies. D. Records related with education and judiciary. The answer is option A. All kinds of transactions of English East India Company in Bengal. 91. The debate as to whether the Indian economy under the British rule was characterized by growth or stagnation or progressive impoverishment has not yet come to an end. What is the major reason for the inconclusive character of the debate? A. Qualitative evidence is interpreted in various ways. B. Inadequacy of the relevant quantitative data. C. Ideology preferences of the particular writer. D. Colonial character of the Indian economy. The answer is option B. Inadequacy of the relevant quantitative data. 92. Who was the Nizam of Hyderabad during 1946-47? A. Nizamuddaulah. B. Qasim Razvi. C. Mir Osman Ali. D. Mir Vilayat Ali. The answer is option B. Qasim Razvi. 93. In which year Gandhiji left Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad and took a pledge to return back only after the attainment of Swaraj? A. 1933. B. 1922. C. 1930. D. 1929. The answer is option C. 1930. 94. Which of the following parties was set up by Muzaffar Ahmad in collaboration with Qazi Nazrul Islam in 1925? A. Labour Swaraj Party. B. Workers and Peasant Party. C. Swaraj Party. D. All India Trade Union Congress. Answer is A. Labour Swaraj Party. 95. Which treaty was concluded after First Anglo-Burmese War 1824-26? A. Treaty of Arakan, B. Treaty of Tenasserim, C. Treaty of Rangoon, D. Treaty of Yandabu. The answer is option D. Treaty of Yandabu. 96. When did Francois Caron establish first French factory in India? A. 1667 AD, B. 1669 AD, C. 1672 AD, D. 1674 AD. The answer is option A. 1667 AD. 97. From which of the following places did Subhash Chandra Bose issued his famous call Delhi Chalo? A. Russia, B. Germany, C. Italy, D. Singapore. The answer is option D. Singapore. 98. Who among the following wrote that Congress was born through a conspiracy to forestall a popular uprising in India and the bourgeois leaders were a party to it? A. R.P. Dutt, B. R.C. Dutt, C. J.P. Narayan, D. B.G. Tilak. The answer is option A. R.P. Dutt. 99. Canning Lawrence School, Mill School and Mayo Northbrook School were related with which administrative controversy? A. Enactment regarding social reforms, B. Implementation, continuation and extension of permanent settlement, C. Introduction of Mahalwari settlement in the new regions, D. Adoption of liberal attitude towards India after revolt of 1857. The answer is option B. Implementation, continuation and extension of permanent settlement. 100. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? A. The Hindu, G. Subramaniam Iyer, B. Amrita Bazar Patrika, Motilal Ghosh, C. Bengali, Surendranath Banerjee, D. Sudarak N. N. Sen. The answer is option D. Sudarak N. N. Sen.